y'all, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this really cute Easter bunny wreath using all items from Dollar Tree. Alrighty, y'all, let us get started. So first off, what you're going to need, one of these 14-inch wire wreath frames from Dollar Tree. You're also going to need something with which to measure. You're going to need some scissors. Woo, you're going to need to make a mess. And you're going to need some of this tool. This is from Dollar Tree as well. They have 4 different colors. And my store is already putting out a lot of Easter stuff. I bought all of this today. So there's 4 different colors. There's blue, yellow, pink, and purple. You see here, it is 6 inches by 3 yards. And it says decorative mesh. This is not mesh, okay? And as you can see, it has like this, this puffy, almost, you know, snowy looking stuff on it. So I did buy all 4 of the colors, and as of right now, I can't tell you exactly how many rolls to get because I don't know. I have not used this particular method with this. So, you know, I've used different wreath frames for it, but after I get it put together, and I'll put it in the description box, I will definitely tell you how many of these I have used, okay? So we're going to be using all 4 colors. We'll get this out of the way because I have some already opened. So let me take the tag off of this. Should have already done that, but I like to show it to you so that you can see how many inches big it is. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your tool, or your mesh as it says, and you're going to cut it to 16 inches. So I have my little cutting mat here. I was using my rotary cutter with this. And I don't know, it wasn't acting right when it would hit like these little white pieces here because some of these are fairly large. And it was making my blades skip. So I'm just going to be using some scissors. Like I said, I'm cutting this to 16 inches. And I already have some more cut over here. Now what you're going to do with this, holding it like this, I'm just folding it in half. Like this, and then you're going to bring the 2 ends up to where they meet. The 2 ends like that, and then you have your loop down here. Okay? So for these colors, we're going to be working right around the outer 2 rings right here. You're going to take it going from the front to the back. I'm just going to feed that through, and then bring it up around those 2 right there. Now here's your loop. You're going to just put your fingers through the loop there and grab the end and pull it through. Now, this is not acting like a regular tool. This is a little bit thicker. And because it has all of this stuff here, it's really wanting to grip onto itself. So you're going to have to work with it, okay? Try to keep your ends as even as possible. Just take your fingers and just pull that up tight. Working that down. I'm trying to not get it so tight that I crush the rings together. And then I'm going to slide it over. And then there is 1 piece. So I'm going to be using, what is this, purple, and then let's do blue, and then let's do pink. And I'm going to put 6 right on here. Now I'm not going to be using the yellow until I get to this part down here. I want all these to be the different colors, and then I want the yellow to be in the center. Now I wanted to do something colorful and springy. It is snowing outside, and I'm so sick of the cold, nasty weather, you know? So let's move this, and we'll cut 1 more piece, and then I have some more cut over here. But jewelry time. Jewelry. Pretty silver jewelry. This comes from Paparazzi. Y'all know I'm a consultant with Paparazzi. I was a long time ago and just recently got back into it. I will put a link in the description box. I'll also pin a comment. If you click that link, and then you can click where it says shop, you can buy all kinds of pretty jewelry for yourself, or you can sign up to be a consultant. Now, if you want to be a consultant, they're running a special. From now until the end of January 2021, when you purchase your consultant kits, they're giving you a lot of free extra jewelry. If you get the $99 kit, you get 10 free pieces. Whoops, I dropped it. You get 10 free pieces, extra pieces. If you get the $2.99 kit, you get 30 extra pieces. If you get the $4.99 kit, where is the end? If you get the $4.99 kit, you get 50 extra pieces. So that is a heck of a deal. So if you're interested in that, you can also sign up to be a consultant from that link. So let's see. This is not something that you can be quick with, okay? You have to take your time and just be careful. All right, so there's that. Now let's do a pink. and we can see what the colors all look like together. So I thought I'd do like my little jewelry spill there while I'm trying to get all these folded together. I'd rather talk instead of just sitting here, y'all watching me do this and me being silent. All right, yeah, this stuff is just clean. It sticks to itself. It's more stuck on itself than my ex-husband. And that's pretty stuck on itself. Let's pull it up. Trying to keep the ends together is a little bit tricky because, like I said, this stuff just really wants to grasp. All right, so now let's slide this over just like that. And see, now I have 3 on here. I have the purple, the blue, and the pink. So now I'm going to do 3 more. Purple, blue, pink. And that's going to be 6 for this section. And I'm going to do that all the way around. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. All the way around. And then we're going to do the yellow in the center. But let me work on this, and then I'll come back and we will start on this part. Okay, so I have all of the pink, purple, and blue tulle on here. I used 2 rolls of each color. And let me tell you a little bit of something about this. You know how the Dollar Tree mesh and stuff like that works. Even though the label may tell you it has like X amount on there, it may not have that on there in actuality, okay? Now, the way that I put these on here, it worked out perfectly with my color scheme, pink, purple, blue, pink, purple, blue. It worked out perfectly, so all of the colors are alternated, you know, exactly as they need to be. Now, if you use yours and you get 2 rolls of each color, which is what you would really need, and if you find that you have too much on one roll and not enough on another one, you know, you don't have to cram 6 into a section. You could do 5. You know, you just work. I'm trying to help you save a little bit of money here, okay? So that you don't buy 3 rolls of each color and then have so much left over, you don't know what to do with it, you know? So I would say get 2 rolls of each color, 2 rolls of pink, 2 rolls of blue, and 2 rolls of purple, okay? So now I'm going to start working with the yellow. Now for the yellow, I cut this to 15 inches. Why? Because I wanted to make double sure that it was a lot shorter than these colors so that these could show through, okay? So I did, if you can see, 15 inches. And we're going to put these on in the exact same way that we did these. Now I'm thinking I'm going to put 4 or 5 on here, okay? Because I only have 3 rolls of yellow and I don't know if that's going to be enough, to be honest. I don't rightly know. So I folded this just like I did those. And we're going to be working around these bottom 2 here. So just take it and then bring it up there, see, around these 2. And then we're going to do the same thing that we did with these, just making our same little loops. This is shorter, so it's a bit harder to work with. Oops, sticking. There's a little nubby right there on the wreath frame. Okay, my cat is hollering because my cat is so neurotic. She doesn't like me to be away from her. So there is 1, and I already have all of my pieces cut here so that y'all don't have to sit here and watch me cut things. Try to make sure the ends are even. Okay, so let's do another one. This will be number 2. Let's try to get away from that little thing right there. And I'm not worried at all about this coming loose or coming undone because of these little things here. Like I said earlier, they're really gripping each other. So it's gripping, really gripping. So I don't think you're going to have any problem with this coming loose. Okay, and let's get another one. Try to space it. I don't want it to look cramped because, you know, I have some of these, like the vase filler. I have some of the foam vase filler, and I think just for funsies, I'm going to glue vase filler right here. I'll show you that here in a little bit. So I'm not too concerned about what this part right here looks like. Okay. Oh, sorry, fix that. While I was working on this, I was watching YouTube on my phone. It's still showing up on my watch here. Why are you doing this? Okay. Just try to pull this through. I'm trying to be careful so that I don't tear it. Okay, now let's see what the 3 here looks like. Nope, I think I want to put 4, because with the 3 you could still see the frame. So let's put 4. So you'll do 4 pieces of yellow in the center. So let me try to get all of this yellow on here. Let me see if I got enough. If not, I'm going to have to make another 20-minute drive to go get some more. And I better be there when I get there. Watch it be sold out when I get there. And then I have to have a meltdown. Like right in the middle of the store. But they know me. You know what? They probably wouldn't be surprised. They'd be like, oh, it's her again. Okay, yeah, 4 looks better. So I'm going to do 4 of the yellows. See? And you can still see the pretty colors in the back and then the yellow here. So I am going to continue on around, see if I have enough. 4 yellow in each section, and I'll be back. Okay, so everything has been put on here, and I did go back to the store to get some more yellow, and let me explain to you about the yellow. So I had 4 yellow per section, and the more that I put on, I didn't like the way it looked, okay? So I went back and I put 5 per section. So I wound up using a total of 5 rolls of yellow. I used 2 pink, 2 blue, 2 purple, and 5 yellow. And I have 5 in each section, okay? 5 pieces in each section. So now I want to do something here. I don't want to put a sign on this, okay? I don't want to put a sign. I want to leave the center open. And the more I look at it, the more I thought, you know, this is very Easter looking, you know? So I have a whole bunch of these. I have many packs of these, and they come in purple, pink, and blue, the same colors as this. So these are the bunny picks from Dollar Tree. You get 4 in a pack. And I think what I want to do is, let's put some bunnies around here. Don't you think that would be cute? So they have these little sticks in the bottom. Just carefully just twist it and pull them out. And here they are. Now let's see which side looks the best. Which way do I want my bunnies facing? You know, I don't want them facing this way. I don't want them facing, I don't know. Well, let's get some more out. Let's get some more out and lay them down. I don't know exactly how many I'm going to be able to fit on here. Now, when you hot glue stuff like this together, I would highly suggest that you use a low temp glue gun. I'm out of low temp sticks, so I'm going to be using, no, I don't like that. So I'm going to be using my high temp gun because that's what I have. So just be careful. Let me see, I got some pink here. And I'm just going to start gluing these down. Okay. All right. So I think I'll just have them facing this way. Ooh, my lights are flickering. So I'm going to try to be just so careful with this hot glue and not put like a whole lot. Try to stick it there. And I'll go back if I see, you see how this has like a little lip on it here? I will go back and correct that later on, okay? I'm just going to put that there. All right, so I'm trying to look here. I have pink, and then it goes purple, and then blue. Okay, so let's try the purple now. I don't, well, I said I have a whole lot of these, but I don't know exactly how many I have. So I hope I don't run out, because I'm not going back to the store again today. Okay, now let's do the blue. I don't like this little blue bunny right here. You know what? I have more blue than I do the other colors, so let's get another one of these out. All right, bunny boy. There we go. See, I use this hot glue gun a whole lot, and I know how hot it gets. I know what it can and cannot be used for. I don't know what brand you're using, so I don't know how hot yours gets, but anytime you're gluing down this foam stuff, just to be on the safe side, you know, use the low temp. All right, so I'm just going to alternate now. Pink, purple, blue all the way around, and let's hope that the colors work out evenly. All right, fingers crossed. I'll be right back. All right, let's take a look at what I have here. I have my bunnies on here. I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3 pink, 3 purple and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. I can count to 4, I promise. I have 3 purple, 3 pink, 4 blue. So because they come in packs of 4, you would need 1 pack of each color. Now, as you can see down here, I left space because I want to put a bow. And I wasn't going to put a bow until I got, you know, to where I was gluing these on. And I looked over and I have some Easter ribbon over here. But this is the ribbon I used. This is a spool of Easter ribbon from Dollar Tree. It's the Easter eggs. And they're pretty. It has some silver glittery stuff on there. And I tied a cute little bow. Now, I do have a video on this bow. I've taken up enough of your time with this video. And if I do something over and over, I try not to make the video to where I show you the same thing over and over. So I have the separate video, and I will link to that down in the description box where you can check it out and make a bow like this. But now what I'm going to do is, let's get this bow in place. I'm just going to hot glue it down. Or you can attach it with a pipe cleaner if you want to, floral wire, whichever works the best for you. For me, in my house, we will use a glue gun. So I have my cute little bow here, and then I have, this is a foam Easter egg. It came from Dollar Tree. I think everything here came from Dollar Tree, actually. But what I want to do is just put that Easter egg right there. I have a pink one. Do I want to do a pink one? What do y'all think? Yeah, pink. I'm looking at the colors I have. I think this pink egg will be just fine. So I'm just going to put hot glue on here and then just carefully just settle that right there in the center of the bow. And I'm happy with this. I'm very happy with this. Very, very happy with it. I didn't even know where I was going with this when I sat down to make it. All I know is that I'm tired of the dreary weather. I'm tired of all of this rain and the snow and the sleet that we've been getting. And I wanted something colorful and springy. And it looks like it turned into Easter. So you know what? An Easter wreath it is. So hang on, after the video, I will put a photo where you can see it in its entirety and get a better shot of it. But I hope that you liked it. If you would, give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, check me out on other forms of social media, the links to all of which will be in the description box down below. And I hope to see y'all next time. Bye!